Good morning, everyone. Myself, Bharadwaj. Today, I will be handling this technical workshop call for this week. If you have any questions, please raise your hands. We will allow you the mic, and from there, we can take up your questions, please. At this moment, I don't see any participants raising their hands, so we'll keep this call open. If you have any questions, please raise your hands, please. I don't see any participant raising their hand. If any participant is having any questions, please raise your hand. We will allow you the mic, and from there we can take up your questions, please. Christopher, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Christopher Maris. Christopher Maris, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? I see you have raised your hand. Mohammad Rafiq, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hello, yeah, good morning. Assalamu alaikum.
Good morning.
Yeah, dear, I want to know, as per the Tatmeen requirement, we need to consider the incoming shipment, correct? Incoming, whatever the item we received at our location, that need to be matched with the Tatmeen portal, correct?
Yes.
Okay. In after receiving the item, we will take care of the transit, whatever the criteria we need to follow, we will take care. And
Hmm,
my concern is
hmm,
whatever the item expired in
hmm,
our location,
hmm.
how we can track and how we can report to Tatmeen, whether we need to report to Tatmeen or we need to do it from outside. This is my
See,
concern.
Rafiq, if the item is expired,
Mm.
you cannot perform any activity on Tatmeen. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So there is no point like you can still keep a track on the expired item and then perform any activity. See, the expiry can be if the lot number is expired yesterday, and from today you cannot perform any activity on Tatmeen.
Yes.
Okay, so you will have to simply ignore those expired items, considering the expiry date is way behind the current date, and then ignore those items. You no need to take up any further action on Tatmeen on the expired items.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, bye.
Secondly,
Mhm.
Tatmin is requesting to match with only the incoming items and stocks, correct?
Incoming report and then the stock reports.
Stocks.
These two.
Stocks need to be matched with the our stock need to match with the Tatmin report, correct?
Right. Usually that should be
Uh,
in sync. The physical stock should be in sync with the Tatmeen stock. So this is the ideal scenario.
okay. Okay. We are working on it, and
Hmm,
this
hmm.
details report need to send to onboard Tatmin or we,
No need to send to onboarding it, Tatmin. So, okay, so the stock reports usually, if the stocks are older than 6 months old from the current date, then you need to take action on those items. Which means that 6 months old means for the past 6 months, for some reason, the facility has not taken any action on it.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And the final question for
And
me.
for the incoming shipment report, which is older than 1 month, you need to take action on those incoming shipment reports.
That means whatever in the transit location, correct?
Yes, right.
Okay. In from our stocks, we given some of the item in the sampling, like for the sample purpose to the our
Hmm,
sales team and the doctors. Okay, that
hmm.
item we need to dispense as the sample, correct?
Yeah, that will be considered as a sample based on the reason you have selected, and those items will be considered as a sample only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rarely, some of the item we didn't dispense through Tatmin, but physically we sent to the concerned team as
Hmm,
a sample, and that item also we can to capture the QR code or the code. Currently,
hmm,
the physical item is not available with us.
hmm,
How we
hmm.
can proceed with the further to in the Tatmin?
See, if the item itself is physically not available, then you will have to check with the shipper for this because even we do not have any visibility on your physical stocks, right? From how this is coming up and then where it is going.
Mm.
So check
But
with
we
the
are not.
shipper.
But
Yeah.
we are not sure which serial code item we send to the
Mm.
concerned team. We are
Yeah,
not
that
aware.
yeah, that is what. So this is something you have done internal as part of your operation. And when you ask us the twin team, we do not have any visibility on those things which you have done. Ideally,
Yes,
in
yes.
ideal scenario, you will have to report into Tatmeen and then dispense through the Tatmeen.
Okay, dear. Okay. Okay. Thanks
Okay.
for
Yeah.
information. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Sorry.
Moise Taib. Taibi, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi. Uh, in the stock downloadable report, stock, I am seeing there are multiple line item of stock.
Okay.
Why is it so? Currently, I am not even able to download. There are more than around 9 line item appearing for stock. For 9 files are there. I have raised a ticket already, and I
Mm-hmm.
think it has gone for escalation right now. But
Mm-hmm.
is it? I can come to know where, but still, why 9 is appearing? Because we have more than 20, 50 entities here,
Mm.
and everything should be appearing in one single report.
So
Uh,
you mean to say you are unable to download it, or what is the actual?
yes, I am
Uh,
unable to download it. Whenever I am clicking
okay.
on download, it is showing
Mm-hmm.
an error on the server
Got
occurred.
it.
Please try
We
again.
we yeah, we are aware of this issue. Okay, the reason is the volume of the report, the content of the report is huge for the system to download. So we are working on it, and then we will come back when there is further update on this particular piece. Okay,
Oh, okay, okay. So that is the reason why it is not getting download. Okay.
right, right. Okay.
Okay. And just before my call, one person, I think that solved the query that if I'm receiving a daily email for the expired stock. We no need to do anything in system. It is in Tatmin portal. It is automatically getting removed from our stock. Correct?
If you are getting a notifications from Tatmin on the expired lot notification, so these are automatic notification triggers from the Tatmin system. Okay, so if a lot has expired yesterday or day before yesterday, Tatmin system will capture it and then trigger that information to the Spock user. Okay, this is only an information and no further action is required because the lot has expired and that is the information we are sharing with the Spock user.
So, and also it is getting deducted from the stock report.
Deducted means
From the stock report, downloadable
no, that
stock
will,
report.
yeah,
Uh,
that it won't reflect, and no, you no need to take any further action on the expired items also.
Okay, and this incoming, if there are some old incoming are still lying in there, do we need to still follow up with the distributor, supplier, and we need to
See,
coordinate with them? Hmm.
if it is for older than 1 month, then yes, you will have to take action on those things. Okay.
Okay, okay then.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's
Oh,
it.
okay. Thank you. Vignesh, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Vignesh, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Vignesh, if for any reason, if you are unable to unmute yourself and speak up here, please write your question or clarification to onboarding@tatmin.ae. We will check and respond to you by today. Moving on to the next caller, since Vignesh, you are unable to unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Oh yeah, thank you. Sir. Good morning.
Dr. Khan, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, sir, actually, I have one problem while dispensing some items.
Mm-hmm.
There is one issue with it's asking for import permit.
Mm,
So I actually generated query,
mm,
but in the query also, your team asked me for MH There is a permit for pharmacy. My question is, this permit do I need because I'm a pharmacy? I
Mm.
dispense directly to the patient.
Mm.
So this permit I need from where? I don't understand still the permit how I need, because what I understand from there, it is a marketing authorized holder, but I'm not something like that.
Okay, I think you are Kaleem Khan, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm handling this ticket. See, you have given us the huge volume of serial numbers where you are
Yes.
unable to dispense due to import clearance. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
when we will have to go to EDE along with the import permit number for getting it cleared. Okay,
Mm,
and since you have the huge volume of data,
mm,
I was looking, I mean, I was expecting from your side to share these permit numbers
mm,
so that we can take it, I can take it forward with the EDE because the volume seems to be some 40 plus. I don't remember the count, but the volume
mm.
is huge from your side.
Yes, sir.
So you will somehow you will have to get these permit numbers for the each record you have given us where you are experiencing the import permit, and from there we can take it forward. Because when we
Mm,
work on this huge count, that would be a manual effort for us. So if it is one
mm.
or two or maximum five, we can check and then we can put it across in front of EDE for the import clearance. In your case, the volume is very huge. So you need to help
So
us
how
by
we will
providing the permit.
actually my question is still the pending now.
Mm,
From where I need actually the permit because I'm not importing something. I just receive in the Tatmeen portal and the invoice and just dispensing.
mm. So
Um,
you will have to contact the shipper from where the shipments arrived from. So shipper is the one who
so
can help you in getting this information.
the shipper. So
Yeah.
the shipper import permit, if I give you shipper import permit, then you can dispense, or we can divide this. For example, if you are telling the huge quantity volume of the items, if
Mm.
I divide same by 5 and sending each day 5 5 5, then it will be solved.
See, it again depends, right? See, if you see, I don't know how to answer this question. Each day you are
This-
extending five, five,
Actually,
five.
the main thing I'm because still I am the person who cannot understand the marketing authorized holder. I'm not
No,
that person. I'm
see,
just a
Kalim
pharmacy
Khan,
dispensing to the end
the
customer.
hang on, Kalim Khan,
Yeah.
the point is, you really have the huge volume of the import, I mean, serial numbers where the import clearance is due.
Mm,
So we would the prerequisite is we need to get the permit numbers, and based on the
mm,
permit numbers, we will
mm,
have to reach out to the EDE based on the arrival of the port. Okay,
mm,
so background we will have to work all these things. Since you have this huge volume, get this
mm.
information from your side, share the permit numbers. We based on the permit number, we can keep a track on the arrival of the port and we can reach out to the EDE.
Yeah, and one thing more, sir.
Mm-hmm.
This item, I got urgent email from the Tatmeena, that this item must be dispensed, must be
Mm-hmm.
cleared on 7th March, before the 7th March.
Yeah.
So on 6th March, I received the email and 1 day deadline.
Mm.
So what I received that one, I cleared that one, but these items are still pending. So what will be the deadline? It is already passed, and it is now 12th March, and we are
See,
communicating this.
instead of talking about the deadline, get this information which is needed for us to take it forward with ED as soon as possible. And from there, you can expect some update from us. Okay?
Mm, mm, okay. But still I need this one. This is actually the this one, the marketing MAH. This MAH is responsibility, and pharmacy is also responsible to provide the MAH.
No, I didn't get
Means
your question. Kalim
the-
Khan, You will have to get these permit numbers, please. Go back to the shipper from where you received this, and they can help you out. So I think you haven't taken this step. So go back, take one step back, go back to the shipper, and then ask for this information. They can help you in getting the permit numbers for this SSCCs.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else, please?
Okay, we will be in touch on this issue.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Muhammad Rafiq, I have given you the mic again. Can you unmute yourself and ask your question, Muhammad Rafiq?
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
tell
on
me,
the
Rafiq.
on the report prospects, we have seen two things are there. One based on the stock, and another one is based on the 6 month stock which is lying in the stock. On the report prospect, how we can bring it in the reports? Or both we have to do in a separate way, or in the single report we can bring the same?
See, for the incoming reports, the action you need to take on the items which are reflecting 1 month old. Okay.
Okay.
And for the
6 month old.
incoming report, 1 month old. And for the stock
Okay.
reports, which are reflecting 6 months old.
Okay.
And this is clearly communicated in the communication which when we have sent to the all users. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye. Christopher Maris, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Christopher, you need to unmute yourself and ask your question. Christopher, you are already allowed the mic, so please unmute yourself and ask your question. Okay, Christopher, again, I have allowed you the mic. Please unmute yourself now and can you talk? Okay. Christopher, for any reason, if you are unable to unmute the mic, then please write your question or clarification to onboarding@tatmeen.ae, and from there we can help you in by responding. Hopefully, you will get a response by today from our side. Okay, so
Hello,
any
sir. Do you hear me now, sir?
yes, Christopher. Good morning.
Okay,
Tell
good,
me.
sir. Sorry, sir. I tried to look for that mic. I cannot find it, but it's okay right now. By the way, we are on the said practice. Some of our products are, most of our products are GSN. Is it part of this new campaign right now?
Okay, Christopher, I didn't understand your question. Can you ask your question again properly?
Uh, okay, so we have GSL products. Is this a part of the said process on this new auditing platform from Tatmeen?
Okay, you have a GSL product. See, your question is not clear to me still. The compliance email which you received, which all users received on March 5th or March 6th, is
Yeah.
something related to the incoming report and then the stock report. So
Yes.
the users will have to take action on the incoming reports older than 1 month. They need to take the required action. The receiver will have to receive it and then, if needed, move to the next customer GLN. And then the stock report, the items which are reflecting 6 months old need to be acted upon. So in simple, this is the summary of the compliance email where every user is working currently now. All right.
Okay, understood. One more thing, sir,
So
because of the, yeah, thank you, sir. Go ahead, sir. Sorry.
yeah, this is what. So Spark user from your side will have to log in into the admin portal and access these reports. All right.
Okay, so it's only for the report, sir. If, for example, as I said, we have this on this said platform, does the GSL products included on the said
Yeah.
is included, sir? GSL.
Yeah. So if please ask your Spark user to log into the admin portal and
Okay.
then ask him or her to access these reports, and from there they can check.
Okay, done, understood. Sir, one more question, if you may allow. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, we just want to check, the current situation we have, unfortunately, and we have some shipments diverted in Abu Dhabi rather than in UAE, in Dubai itself.
Mm-hmm.
I just want
Mm-hmm.
to ask if in Abu Dhabi there is also an office from, as I know, but I'm not yet confirmed if there is an ED office as well at the border in Sila. I'm not sure if this question is belong from your side, sir. I just want to check if maybe if you
No,
have an idea.
no, I have no idea about this question, please, because
Okay.
we're not sure where the ED office is in the Abu Dhabi borders.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
thank you so much. Thank you. If any user have any questions, please raise your hands, and from there we can allow you the mic. Currently, there are no hands raised by the participants, please. I have allow you the mic. I think the name is in Arabic. I cannot read Arabic. So can you unmute yourself and ask your question? I can respond
Hello.
to you. I can speak with you in English.
Hello.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah. Yes. Good morning. I have one question regarding the same report they are asking.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, we are currently changing our software, pharmacy software.
Mm-hmm.
So this report it should be reflect on our software, right? Because once I open this report, it's all including only numbers. So I don't know what is required from me, what I have to do in this report. So can you explain for me clearly what's required from my side?
No, you're talking about which report, please?
This one same. They send it the deadline. It was 7th of March.
Yeah, correct. See, so this is the compliance email which we have sent to the entire industry. Okay, and the action needs to be taken by the stock users on the incoming reports and then the stock report. And if you have any incoming reports pertaining to your GLN and the items which are 1 month old, then you will have to start receiving those items pertaining to the incoming report. And as far as for the stock report, if you need to focus on the items which are 6 months old from the current date. So this is a summary of the compliance email which we have sent last week. So as a Spoke user, my suggestion is please log in into the Tatmeen portal, access the downloadable reports. If reports are available, then based on the criteria which I have told you earlier, you take an required action.
Because it's all the report is only like numbers. what I have to do with this number. I'm not understanding actually.
No, I no. What is the number? I didn't get you. What is that number, please? So,
Just
can you write your question or a clarification in the email? We can respond to you through the email, because when you say it is only the number, I couldn't understand the number what you are referring to.
okay. I already sent email. Then she told me I have to join the training.
No, I didn't understand.
Okay. My question is this report. If I have to understand what's including this report, I should have software, right? Pharmacy software.
It's not about the software. Check these reports, and then if any action is applicable, you can perform that action
What action
on
can I perform?
another report. See, incoming
Like
report
if
usually. So that is what I was trying to explain you. The criteria is if any items are reflecting on incoming report and those items are 1 month old, you can take action on those 1 month old items on incoming reports by receiving those items on Tatmeen portal. You can perform through receiving operation through Tatmeen portal or through the B2B, the integration process.
okay.
Okay. So for
If
that,
more than
you need to refer Tatmeen.ae website. So there are some technical guides and then the training manuals. So that will help you how to receive these items on Tatmeen system.
okay.
All right. Okay.
And if it's more than 6 months,
Yeah, on the more than 6 months, the stock report, you need to take required action on the stocks which are reflecting on your GLN.
okay, then. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Dr. Khan, can you unmute yourself and ask your question?
Yeah, good morning, brother.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, brother, actually, I have faced one other issue. While dispensing the item, there is some item shows it is expired, so I cannot dispense, na? In the clearing of item, the old stock.
Yeah, if the item is expired, then you cannot perform any activity on Tatmeen.
So how to deal with this, brother?
See, the item is expired means no further action is applicable. You will have to ignore it. That's it.
So I no need to take any action, expiry,
No,
deletion,
you
something, throwing.
you
How to remove the record then?
from where you need
Clear
to
the
remove the
record.
record.
Yeah, or it is. I will leave it as it is.
Yeah, that's it. No, man, you cannot perform any activity. That is what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay. So there is nothing option for removing expiry from my list from stock.
So are you saying about on the stock report?
Yes, brother.
Okay. So in that case, you generate the stock report again, then those expired items will not reflect on the report.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, since there are no hands raised by the participants, I'm concluding this call for this week. The meeting recording will be shared in next 24 hours from now. See you again next week on the same time. Thank you so much.